Well, baby, it's just you and me.
She what? What does that mean, she coded?
It means her heart stopped.
Hey. I heard you had a rough time with surgery. You know, most people, they wouldn't have survived a fall like that. I told you that you were stronger than me. I admit it. I figured if I could, but no, I can't. We both know you're stronger than I am anyway, right? You know that. Because you're the strongest person I've ever met. We were in the OR. I had a chance to check in on our baby. She's great. She's so pretty. She looks just like you, Sam. Oh, Sam, I was frantic trying to find you. No idea where to go. But I need you to just work on those highway cameras for me, okay? Call me back. Sam! It was so dark, and I had no idea where you were. I was about to give up. Find help. And then I had this strange little thought. You remember that star necklace that I bought you? Because you had once said that the stars make you so small, important, and at the same time scared. Well, that is exactly how I felt. And I swear to you, the clouds opened just enough for the stars to shine through, and there was just enough light. And I could finally see you. Okay. And by the time I got to you, you were so cold. I got you, baby. You were so cold. And you were so tired. Hey, you're doing fine. What is it? As you pushed through all of that pain and those impossible circumstances, I remember the night that you were shot, running to me, and how guilty I still feel, and how Danny was never supposed to be here.
We can't get pregnant after all.
You've blessed our lives anyway. How you've become this fiercely protective and nurturing mother. How you've become my wife. Take you to love, honor, and cherish. For richer and for poor, until death do us part. And best friend. I know I've done a lot of bad things in my life. And I don't deserve this type of happiness. I'm too selfish to give it up because this is a pretty great life, isn't it, Sam? Come on, my little fighter. I need you to fight. Because our kids love you. And because I love you. And because none of this works without you. So if you could open your eyes and squeeze my hand, just to let me know that you're with me. Because I'm not strong enough to do any of this without you. Please just don't leave me.
Someone wants to see her mother.
Oh, hey. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you? How you feeling?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Not bad at all.
Stop crying. Knock it off.
think it's luck. I think we got our miracle. Right, Scout? A little miracle.